Hello friends. So today I am going to unboxing my new Sennheiser Momentum Wireless 3 earbuds. So recently I ordered these earbuds from online. So yeah, most probably 3 days ago. Yes, 3 days ago. And today DHL sent me the parcel to my home address. So let's open it. Okay. 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 So this is the headphone. Wow. It's mainly the German brand. We all know that Sennheiser is a German brand, and they are now making the nice headphones and earbuds. And before I buy this set, I also compare these earbuds with several other earbuds like Bose, Apple, Sony, and I saw and analyzed that most of the times it's a head to head the scores for each of the technical parameters. So it's not bad or not so much good compared to Sony or Apple earbuds, but it's similar in the same level, I must say. Okay, so let's open it. And before I open, I can see that it says like Bluetooth 5.2 and IPX4. So it has like a sweep proof wireless charging also, and the color is graphite. There are three colors: black, white and graphite. So I choose graphite, and it has 2 years warranty. Okay, so maybe I can use a cutter. Okay. Wow, amazing. It says, see, welcome, and in German, willkommen. And this is the headphone. So it's very small, the box, and the box is so nice. And this is the logo of Sennheiser, and the made in China. We know that most of the electronics, the manufacturing units are in China, but the company, the for research, development, and the design, it happened in Germany, since it's a German company. So, and this is the charging port, USB 3. So if I open like this, maybe, yes. So that's the thing. And this is the headphone, I mean the earbuds with noise cancellation, and this is the graphite color. And you see that there is a inbuilt uh, charging station in the box. So, and maybe there's something, oh no, not, it's just a user guide. And maybe this is also a user manual, and inside the user manual there are some air tips, yeah, and some cover for the earbuds and the charging cable, yeah. So yeah, and some user guide. Okay, so that's it. And let's use this headphone, and then I will come back with another review. Okay, see you then. Bye.